VirtualBox is a free and open source solution to be able to run other operating systems virtually. In this video, I will show you how to download and install VirtualBox. VirtualBox is designed to run virtual machines on your physical machine without reinstalling your OS that is running on a physical machine. One more advantage of VirtualBox is that this product can be installed for free. A virtual machine or VM works much like a physical one. To begin downloading the VirtualBox, just go to Google and then search VirtualBox. So here is the site. Click open or just click on the link on the description of this video. So this is the website for VirtualBox where you can download, and you need to go to downloads, and here is where you can download the VirtualBox, but you need now to choose the link according to the operating system you are using. If you are using Linux, Solaris or Windows, so here are the list. For my case, I'm going to for Windows, so I'll click on Windows, and then the download option will pop up, so you save to begin downloading the application. So for my case, I've downloaded already. Then I'll go direct to downloads where I have the application. So from here I can begin installing the VirtualBox. So to begin installing the VirtualBox, just double click on this application and then click on Run. Now it's preparing to install, and then click on Next. When you see this screen, the welcome screen from Oracle, then click on Next, click Next again, and then you can decide to check this option or to uncheck them, but for this case I'm going to leave them as default. Then click Next again. Yeah, here we have the warning message, which indicates that network features will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. So you will temporarily be disconnected from your network, so you should be sure if you are ready to be disconnected for a while. So I'll click Yes, and then click on Install. Now the application is being installed. And then you need to click Finish. After completion of installation process, the VirtualBox window gets opened. So this is the whole process of how you can download and install VirtualBox. Let's meet in the next video on how to install an operating system in VirtualBox.